Hi everyone, this is Kiki Vlogs, si Filipino Raptor Beast here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin sa reaction video ang Barda compilation, because why not? Ito yung mga sweet moments and everything, because why not? Basta masaya tayo, yun yung importante doon. Masaya tayo for today's video. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Atake! Ay, si Blair, or Blair, it's been a while. Ang sabi ni Blair, sana talaga si David ang maging leading man ni Kat dito. Elena, 1944. Okay. Wow. Elena, 19, parang maganda to Elena, 1944. Parang maganda to Oh. Wow. By Olivia.
This is based on an Palanca Award-winning screenplay.
Oh my God.
Our writer, Patrick Valencia. So, what is it? It is the story of Elena, the story of a comfort woman. So,
Comfort woman. Oh my God, I love this.
Japanese period. Yes, Japanese period.
Very pulang araw.
It's also an action drama.
Sana si David nga. Totoo lang. Sana si David din. Oh my God, I remembered Ashley Ortega. Siya yung isa sa mga comfort, di ba, woman doon sa Pulang Araw. Grabe yung acting skills ni Ashley Ortega doon.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo, Kat, I'm very, very grateful na tinanggap mo.
And I'm grateful. I wouldn't say yes if hindi ko yung mag-direct.
Ay, talaga ba? Talaga ba, Kat? Ay. Oh my God, sa'yo lahat to? Sa'yo lahat to, Barbie? Kay Barbie lahat yan. Please. Kay Barbie lahat yan? Kay Barbie lahat yan. Gwapo ni Ginoo. Gwapo ni Ginoo, Wait. Isa pa. Bakit walang pasantol? Hindi na talaga nagpapasantol si Ginoo, no? Wala na talagang sandolan station. Ito totoo. Bakit wala nang pasantol si Ginoo? Dapat may pasantol pa si Ginoo. Diba? Wait lang Lagi na lang. Gwapo ni Ginoo. Ginoo never disappoints. Ay, ito na naman sila. Pero wait lang. Gusto ko lang tong i-check si Fangirl. Ay, ano to? Ay. One thing that I really love about David, wala siyang pinipili talaga. Basta ina-idolize siya. Okay. Basta ina-idolize talaga si David. Ang gwapo niya talaga. Ay, pagod na siya. Pagod na ang Ginoo natin. Ayun. Kay Barbie lahat yan. Baka kay Barbie lahat yan for today's video. Diba? Baka kay Barbie lahat yan for today's video. Charis. Kay Barbie lahat yan, ma'am. Kay Barbie lahat yan. Hindi imagine yung mga pinipisil-pisil ni Barbie ng mga muscle, no? Kay Barbie lahat yan. Ay, lalaking-lalaki talaga si David, sa totoo lang. Lalaking-lalaki talaga siya, sa totoo lang. Iba talaga yung pagkalalaki ni David. Rar, rar, rar. Ala, ang gwapo niya talaga. Ang gwapo niya talaga. Diba? Ang gwapo niya kasi talaga eh. Ay, ito.
I would say na I'm not selfish.
Selfless man, sorry.
How to be successful. Yung mga improvements na I have learned along the way na pagiging athlete, pagiging businessman, pagiging artista. For example, yung best friend ko si Dustin. Like literally lahat ng alam ko sa business, I shared it with him. Like how to present himself in showbiz, how to put up a restaurant, like even to the smallest detail na paano makipag-date, di ba? So, yeah, sa friends, gano'n ako eh. Like parang gusto
Friends,
ko
ganun
na
ako eh.
kasama sila sa success ko. Or not necessarily success. Kasi iba yung success for other people, right? But like yung I feel na would resonate with them, na would help them.
Grabe, it really shows talaga the other side of David dito sa interview na to. Pinakita talaga ni David.
Share my
Yung
knowledge,
other
also
David
share
Licao
my
ko.
perspective.
Yung mga hindi pa nakakakilala talaga sa kanya na totally.
Something to share. Also like with my family, my brother, like I would give him advice about the new life he is about to face now, which is like life after college. Right? So I give him advice about it. Pero syempre, magsisimula muna ako sa like, what do you want? What makes you happy? Right? I don't want to pressure him. Like, I would just really try my best to share knowledge. Na parang, okay, this is my story. Maybe you can learn from it. Diba? But I don't want to impose. Take that kasi in every aspect of your life, you can be successful. It's good. It's easier to be successful, to get to that, your goal. Kung mindful ka. And also, I'm very much into self-improvement talaga. I came from a Chinese
It's very smart. Matalino talaga siya.
wherein hindi ka masyado nag-uusap. Pati sa school
Talino
before,
talaga siya.
and never ako nag-present sa school. Alam mo yung mga, nahihiya ako sa ganun. Pati sa college. But now, I'm in showbiz. I just keep on learning. Try my best. Na parang, okay, I am aware na ito yung kailangan kong matunan. How will I learn? How will I get to that goal na gumaling ako on something? Parang why what
Matalino
now? I
talaga
have
kasi
the
si
framework
David. Totoo lang.
People tend to form their own ideas of who you are based on what they see.
Based on what?
What part of yourself have you chosen to put off camera?
Not everything has to be posted in social media, to be honest.
Doon talaga ako. Doon talaga ako.
Na personal.
Eh, hindi nyo kami masisira.
Stories. But when I was younger, back in the day, di ba, post ka na selfie, gym selfie, gano'n.
Yes.
Yung mga, video ba niya?
Hindi ba niya? Anyways, napanood na natin ito eh.
Like ba niya, di ba? Seeking validation.
Kunin ko lang yung
So,
tiko, ah.
Like right now, at this point of my life, parang, I feel like I'm a whole person already, na, wala, I just wanna focus on my goal, and
I just wanna
would say
focus
don't
on my
take any
goal.
validation from
Focus talaga siya sa goal niya. Ay, ito yun. Si Rahel and Chiro yan. Jel yan. Naalala ko na naman. Ay, si David, oh. May kanya-kanyang ganap sila, oh. Deep inside is someone. Deep inside is someone. Ano yun? Ah. Ay. Tere. Okay. Bakit ginano naman si Ginoo ng gigil? Wait. Ay, grabe na. Grabe kayo kay Ginoo. Namula. Ginawa. Grabe kayo kay Ginoo. Grabe sila kay Ginoo, in fairness. Ay, hello. Si Marla Montao. Magkasama pala sila dyan. Gwapo niya din yun. Gwapo niya talaga. Iba talaga si Ginoo. Sa totoo lang. Ay, I love that smile though. Ay, talaga ba? May pakis ka pala dyan. May pakis ka pala dyan, Ginoo. Tingin? Kiss. Anyways, that is it for today's video, our Barda compilation. This is Kijimo Vlogs, and see you in my next vlog. Bye!